Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mashur, graphics design trainer. Today I will show you how to create a flower using with polygon shape. So please follow me from start to finish so I can show you how to create a flower with this shape. I am using here in Adobe Illustrator. So first I will create a document. I already create the flower, but now I will create a document, the duplicate document, so it will be easy to understand everyone. So I am going to File, Document Setup and Edit Artboard. I copy the artboard so it is easy to get a fresh new artboard. After copy, escape the artboard, so I get the same duplicate artboard here. So now I just delete the second artboard content, everything. So now I will draw so you can understand. First I will take a shape from the tool palette, which is called Polygon Tool. I draw a polygon shape. I none the color here. I click stroke, three or five. Now I will go to effect menu, then I will go distort and transform, pucker and bloat. Now I get the properties of pucker and bloat. I click the diameter, increase the diameter so it will make a flower shape. I will click OK now. Now I will select the selection tool, direct selection tool from here. Then I will before I will do this, I will go to object, expand appearance, so there will be no affected area. So now I will again go to direct selection tool. I will click the flower palettes. I will click the flower palettes from here. Then I will take the add anchor point tool here. I will click I will take anchor point, then I will select it and delete it. I will click the pen tool again. I will click the last anchor point of the flower selection. Then I will go to I will drag the selection. Then again I will make another line from the pen tool and join. So now this looks something like this. Now I will click a circle and just make it small. Again I will create a polygonal shape. I will click now effect, distort, transform, pucker and bloat. Just increase the diameter, click OK. Object expand once again, make it small. I will make it small here, and now I will create a line with the pen tool. So now I complete my second flower. I will make another line shape for footer. Now I will select all the flower. I will go to object, path, outline stroke. Now there is no stroke. There is no stroke here. It is only now the fill color, so I can make the color. So before I do that, I make some interesting change. So I duplicate the flower, I take a rectangle tool, make a color, any color, arrange, send to back. I will go to Pathfinder, make a divide. I will click ungroup. So I get some flower. Colorful flower, so it will be easy to give some color. Now I will go to stroke, make the stroke width 6 or 8. So now I will go to object, path, outline stroke. I will go to again Pathfinder and click this tool, ungroup, and then I will take the selection tool, direct selection tool, and make the selection. Then I will copy or cut I will cut it and delete the other strokes, paste it. Now just bring the flower and set it here. Now make the color. Any color you can give. I give just from my previous color, so it is easy to give any color. You can also give any color from the color picker in toolbar, any color. According to your wish. So just this is the color. So it's almost look like the flower. Now I can make the line flower line color from here. Make a green color, just make a green color. I will give it green. So you will give your own color. So just now I will make a leaf for the flower. I will take ellipse tool. I will make 2 ellipses and click here for a flower shape. If you go to Pathfinder, then click here, then you can make a flower shape. Okay, so just bring the flower something down, just make some leaf for the flower. So now I think this is complete. The flower is complete with the polygon shape. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.